Yeah, man. Is this real? So it's having trouble recording. NVIC open. Dink, 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 dink. It won't record. Am I like streaming vertically or something? Yeah, man. It is late night and I'm doing some late night work, folks. And I am checking some YouTube stuff out. And I just literally think I am live on YouTube right now. Your channel. And it says live. I'm going to watch my volume, folks. There we go. Let's see what it says. No, I'm full screen. To watch my volume. I look green. Folks. I look green as AF, man. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit green. No, I'm full screen. It's freaking awesome. I look green. I look green as AF. Shirt isn't even green. Yeah, a little bit. It's not even green. It's like freaking awesome. I look green. It's like grayish. Shirt isn't even green. Yeah. It's not even. See if we can do that. Freaking awesome. Wait, not that one. It's like grayish. Shirt isn't even green. That one. It's not even. There we go. Wait, not that one. It's like less green. Thing is that one as AF, bro. There we go. Wait, not that one. It's like less green. Thing is that one as AF, bro. There we go. Okay, well you can see me at least. Now, funny thing here is, there was a window that said, "This is going to be your chat. Welcome to chat." Okay, let me say something. Funny thing. We pop share. There was a window that said, "This is going to be your chat. Welcome to chat." Okay, let me say something. Funny thing. We pop share. There was a window that said, "This is going to be your chat. Welcome to chat." Okay, let me say something. Funny thing. We pop share. There. But I don't see it here. Dave Joyce, Dave, how you doing, man? It was really easy to go live on YouTube, and so I thought I would try it, and then it literally took me like 15 minutes just to get this going. So I figured out, okay, let me mess around. Excellent connection, that's good. I'm guessing my chat is right here, which is actually pretty close. And I was like, you know what, man? What's my wretch doing here, Dave Joyce? This wretch is named, check it out, status Claudia 1850, because that is a bot that was on chess.com, and someone said the rating was 1850 and they could not beat it. And they said that while we made this wretch, and so Claudia 1850. And I'm looking at the fires over here in what I call Sophia River. But it's like Sophia River or something weird. They're all lit up. We never killed this thing, did we? Not on the wretch. Not with the freaking, not at level 40 with the mace. Did we? Doing good, mate. Everything looks like it's running fine. Sounds okay, man? Feels okay? Is the quality better? Does it look better? Dude, like, what am I supposed to do? Did I even try this, man? Oh my! Oh, it's dead. I killed it. So why was I standing way over there? I killed the reindeer boss. Look at me! I'm so proud of myself, Dave Joyce. Level 40. Okay, good. So we're out of here. So you're saying we're out of here? Dude, the wretch is. Look at the wretch's life, bro. The wretch is all the way up. Academy's done. What? The 4 French fries? All the way to Carrier Manor's done. So what am I looking for right now? If we just did Sophia River, and look at what's done. This is level 40, man. I have not been on this character in a minute. But I'm looking at Altus, man. It's all I can think of. Yeah, which reindeer boss was that? That was the first one. That was the first one for sure. It's a new character, but I just don't. I can't even believe. I guess we could check and see if Radon is available. right? Because we got the Grace, right? We might as well port over there and check out the Grace. Yeah, see, it's not open, man. Randy's not happy, folks. Randy is saying, wait, let me see if I can show you. Randy's saying, wah, wah, wah. No quest for you. Okay, so we have to check the inventory, see if we have the medallion, man. Keys. We got both halves. We can go up, man. We can go up. We can go up. And the way to do that is like... Oh, yeah. This one here, Main Academy Gate. Take the port. I learned that earlier tonight, believe it or not. Hey, man. Welcome to the stream. There's two of us here. Dave Joyce and who? Okay. Right. Oh, my volume is so down here. I gotta turn this up a little bit. So what's going on here is it's 3 in the morning. It's very late. I did so much stuff. I played some 1 minute on Elite Chess. I watched a whole bunch of videos. I ate ice cream and hot fudge. And it's 3 in the morning, and I should be going to bed. And I'm like, I want to check out my YouTube, man. Can I go live on YouTube? And it took me a few minutes. I'd like, oh man, this guy has to die. I killed this guy with a big bunk earlier, guys. I'm asking a lot. This guy's probably gonna jack me up, but we're gonna focus. I hope I have the jump stuff. Okay. I got 8 freaking health pots, bro. Good. I hate you too. I hate you too. Oh, the magic's coming. I'm dead. Wait, just kill him. You're 50%, I'm not, buddy. You're weak! He's like a vendor. Did you see him catch up like a vendor? He caught up like a vendor, folks. Whoa. Get something out of this. Die when I look at you! Okay, that's not bad, guys. We got a kill. Boy, the chat is small, man. Radon or Altus. Right, well, Radon was not open. So I'm not sure what I got to do. And actually, to be honest, on my big bonk, the NG Plus I'm doing right now, Radon's not opening and I'm not even sure what to do. We need both sides. I have both sides, man. I have them. All we got to do is walk in, man. We're going to go beat up the brothers, man. The Horse Brothers. We got to get the Grace right here right quick. Then we're going to ride in. We got to dodge a cup. Look. I feel like the game looks different when I'm streaming on YouTube. Is that weird? It doesn't. Right? It doesn't. Time of day, time of night, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, we got the let's go ahead and rest. Dude, this character is kind of fun, man. It's my little wretch, man. Claudia 1850. And I will be excited. Look at the freaking haze, man. Dude, I got nailed. I was like running across the archer, and they knocked me off my horse earlier today. Bam! Okay, they didn't hit me here. Now you gotta sneak in like this. You gotta ride in the shadows. How's it going, Capitan? Dude, what are we doing up, man? Back in the day, Morgan, back in the day, we would be asleep like in the next 45 minutes or something. We're staying up, bro. This is like an odd random character that I made a while ago. It's a wretch that we have not developed too much or finished. But I mean, actually, we've developed this character a lot. I'll show you the map. If you know Elden Ring, like Caelid's done except for Radon, Limgrave, and Linernia they're done. They're done. There's nothing happening there. They're done. It's real. Give me the grease. Okay, we're going to take this. Now, on this playthrough, I don't think I have to fight every monster I see. Like, guys, we're going for the huge... We're going to experience a huge deck disc, guys. Oh, we got to talk to Melinda. 9:15 in the morning, coffee time, watch a little news, and then start work on some chess. Nice, man. Nice, Dave Joyce. Interested? This is the same malarkey she's telling my other character, man. She says the same thing to everybody. She's like a telemarketer. She's like a scammer. She's reading a freaking script, guys. Because she just said all the same stuff to me. Yeah, script. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, my cycloptic friend. That was from, I was not body shaming her, guys. That was from, Austin Powers. We're hoisting, folks. Get a good little hoist. I love tea, guys. I like to drink tea. It's, sweet tea. Okay, so, okay, I can skip this too. Escape, escape, escape. You guys want to, God, dude, this Evergoal here, Everjail, it's not easy. I'm willing to give it a shot, because they dump the rooms outside, right? It's not like something bad's going to happen. Let's give it a shot. That's why we came here. To further the Amigos Wretch. It's room temp. It's actually room temp. Thanks for asking, man. Now check out the map. I completely 1,000,000%. Okay. They're not gonna show me, but it's right down here because I know. See it? Oh no, dude! I went down here before. Right here. No, I did this before, man, and I landed on the wall. It was freaking perfect. Maybe I got lucky with the glitch, and I probably should not have tried to recreate that at 3 in the morning on the YouTube channel. Wow. We gotta go all the way back to the lift, man. That's a lot of work, guys. Alright, don't die. Just don't die, man. Should be okay. What did I watch? I watched some high-speed pursuits. Dude, the craziest oh, escape. I watched the craziest high-speed pursuit where this guy just like gets caught like 4 times. Well, I mean, he's caught, meaning he's surrounded and his car's on fire. And then he just jumps in another car and bang, another hour and a half till that car catches on fire. I mean, this guy is he's breaking world records, guys. Guy was good. He was good and lucky all at the same time. Okay, the rooms are right here. Let's grab them. And then we're going to go around, I think. I think there's a better place to drop down. Although, I trust my... Wait, I said X. Okay, it doesn't want me to X. X. There we go. I'm being careful, guys. I just made you say be careful. How the hell did you get down there, man? I got down there this way. I just dropped off that and I hugged the wall. This is all straight. That's why I knew the way down was over here. Elden Ring is engraved into my brain better than my hard drive. I had to force myself to stop playing it for a while when I realized that I had 12 finished characters in only 2 months after its release. Dude. So, believe it or not, Morgan, I'm like right at 900 hours right now, man. I'm like pretty much exactly what you're saying. Same dude. I watch the border control shows. It's crazy what people think they can take through the airports. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a story I want to tell you so bad about going through the airport. This Evergold, guys, first off, it costs a freaking it costs a key. And this is not is not easy. This is not easy, guys. I'm gonna spend the key just for the YouTube channel experience. I'm looking at stats. I see nothing. 2 viewers. Thank you guys for being here. It's Morgan and Dave Joyce. When I set this up, there was no I didn't see any way to set up a title, a thumbnail, and I know for a fact YouTube's all about that. So I don't know. Okay. Do we even have a physic? Well, we do, so that's good. Okay, I try to jump. I hardly took any damage there. I gotta jump that, I guess. I gotta jump that. Okay, I gotta jump it. I have to jump it, guys. Whoa! Yeah, he's rough, man. He's rough. See, the thing is, my puny little mace isn't doing anything, man. The notifications in YouTube are very good. Really, you got a notification, man. Cool. Let me see. Capitan says, yeah, I'm probably around that amount of hours. I'd have to check my PS4. Would be surprised if someone told me I sleep talk about the Souls games, right? 900 hours, Elden Ring, WoW. I think I have around 200. Yeah. I almost feel like, well, no. I know I could do this because all I got to do is just not take so much damage, right? But I don't think I have any magic, any bonus, any buff. You know what I mean? I used my physic. That's all I got, guys. And I'm gonna try this again because we're here. But after that, I might be able to just walk in and level my weapon like 6 times or something. You know what I'm saying? Like very, very possibly. Let's go ahead and just drink this. I don't even know what it does. Okay, fair enough. Yep, I panic rolled. Yeah, so I'm not going to kill this guy right now. I'm too low level, but most importantly, the biggest thing is that was all my fault. But I'm not hitting him, guys. I'm not hitting him. It's just Godric at level 40, but we have no. Well, you can't summons in a ever jail anyway, right, Dave Joyce? So that can't happen. We're gonna grab the runes, and then I don't know. We've done a few things like killed a reindeer. Although we killed a reindeer, I don't understand why I don't have enough points. FGR. Whoa. G. Is it F? R? Let's go here real quick. See if I can level up this weapon a little bit. Yeah, it is, but it's not so simple because it has to be a no summons. Where's the fireplace, folks? Looking for my friend. My friend helps me level my weapon. Well, I mean, my friend has a chain on his leg, but I give him money, and you know, and I'm sure strengthen it. This one. What do I need? Oh my God, smithing stones. I need 6 3s. I have 0. Wow. Okay. I think I know where the 3s are, sadly, guys. You guys know where the 3s are, right? I just made you say, where's the 3s? Guys, the 3s? They're right. No, we already went here. We already went Rhyolucaria. That's where the 3s are. The mace has a bleed on it, but that's the only damage we have. It's a while since you played this character. Yeah, no summon in every jail. Is the mace element of this character or just your choice for now? It's pretty much all I have had available to me. The Rhyolucaria Crystal Tunnel. Smithing Stone 3s. Smithing Stone 3. Right. The bell bearing. Right. Sealed tunnel. What? No, that doesn't make sense. I thought this tunnel right here is where I got the bell bearing for those 3s, man. So I'm not exactly sure where to get my 3s. Okay. Upgrade. Enemy boss and receive merchant. Armaments. Location. Rhyolucaria Crystal Tunnel, guys. 8. So what? How do I not? Okay. We're just gonna go. Let me get my chat back. We're gonna go here and say, why do I not have 3s? I lose track. They nerf a lot of stuff. It's been a minute since I played. Is bleed still ridiculous? It's not ridiculous, but yeah, it's good. Bleed's good, right? Yeah, this guy is good. Go down to my weapon of choice. What's up there, buddy? Okay, good. Now, where's your sister? This guy was probably just gonna attack. Good. It's already been looted, guys. So how? Where are my freaking 3s, bruh? Yeah. Oh, are those 3s? They're not 3s. They're not. This is the crystal cracked poopy man on the side of the rock. On the side of the rock, guys. There should be 3s in here. How do I not have 3s? I didn't sell them. Die when I look at you. Yep, I'm way above this. I am way above this, man. There's one. You see that one, guys? I got one. It was yellow. And it was all yellow. I know you guys are scared. Ah! It's okay. We're close. We already got one. We know a second one. So what? I walked in here and did what? Did not do anything. Did not get any yellows. I was doing so good. There we go. Do we go across this way for that loot? Okay, good. Little circle. I know the route. I know this run if I don't stop. I don't know how to like loot as I go. I'm looking for yellow poopies, guys. We're looking for yellow poopies. Little yellow smithing stone poopy threes, guys. Sorry, sir. Are they still coming? They shouldn't be. Okay. I know there's some down here. I say that. Oh, stop it. I'm crouched, man. I'm full Assassin's Creed mode, okay? Yeah, thank you. There's none over here. I thought there was. Wait, is there one right here on the floor? There's not. Nothing there, folks. I just made you say smithing stone. We're going for it, guys. We're looking up here. This guy needs to be... Oh, he smells. We got casters, guys. You guys like to roll? Oh no, I want to. Oh, what? Okay, these things die so easy. One thing about this weapon is the bomb in this dungeon, right? If I remember finding Rivers of Blood a few days in, deleting the next boss, right? Rivers was ridiculous. I did a Rivers of Blood. Oh my god. I did a Rivers run, man. And the whole thing wasn't like that easy, but yeah. God, when I look at you, looking for yellow. Give me all the poopies. Give me all the poopers. Okay, we have a downhill thing, but there's droppages too, right? Yeah, you could drop too. What's Dave Joyce? Do you remember the point here about dropping? See the droppage? Oh my god. We just better take this. See that though? There's a spot right there, man. This goes to the boss. But I bet that spot has more smithing stone threes. Where is it? It was when you walk in from here. It was back here. I don't need to drop that, man. Oh, there we go. Do I have a? Hey, I do. Guys, we hooked this guy up. He has a lantern, okay? He's not a total noob. We can roll off, right? Rivers of Blood. Rivers of Blood was good. There's one. I told you guys, man. Wait, that was a 2, bro. Oh, God. I dropped off something today. It was at oh god, there's no name. Oh my god, what? Am I dead? There's no way. Okay, so if I drop this way, 1000% death. If I drop this way, wow. That's one of those drops where you 1,000,000% should die, but it gives it to you. You know what I mean? Which, hey, I'm not talking smack, guys. I'll take it. I need everything I can get, folks. Rivers and Night and Flame. Could start the blindfold challenge by themselves. Yeah. The Sword of Night and Flame, that got nerfed like while I very first started playing. I never had a chance to do that. Tell me this, Capitan. Whoa, we're right back here? Did you cheese the fire giant by breaking his legs? Because they fixed that, like, before he could do anything. Still not sure why I would have to come up. Okay, now you take it all the way down. And then that little place I went was right there. But I ended up right here. So there's something here, guys. Okay, let's just pretend it's a new area. Let's try and go further in. Oh, I know this run. I know the run. I know the run. I know the run. Wow, I just almost died, but yeah. Oh my god. Who the hell is shooting me? It was that guy? It was the guy that was dead? There's another thing here. Okay, good, good. But that's... I almost feel like that's where I just was. I guess I should check. But this I know leads to the boss. I just made you say underwear. Anyone? Come on, I just came all the way in here. Wow, so maybe I was here before? Remember how hard Radon was on launch before he got nerfed? I don't. I mean, maybe a little bit. I started when the game started. I just feel I was not the first person at Radon. You know what I'm saying? Now I feel like I just have to run like a psycho. Go, 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 go. We're gonna go here and kill this guy. There we go. Good move. Drink. Good. I just made you say alert on my phone at 3:41 in the morning. Now live on your channel on YouTube. How long have we been live, guys? I'm good at this. This is the late night stream, folks. I'm checking stuff out. I'm just... Oh, I see more stones. Just go here and be like, what's up? Now, run to the choke point. Run to the choke point. I just made you say run to the choke point. Actually, I could have done it earlier, but I want to come here because I feel like my back's to the wall. You know what I mean? I fight better with my back to the wall. Hello? Hey, lady. You got the love I need. Darling, darling, darling. Sorry, sir. Okay, good. Give me... Hey! Oh, man. Dude, we are leveling up this gun. Weapon, whatever. You know what I mean. I don't want to hear it, folks. You know what I mean. What are these little crystals for? Like, cracked crystal. Trying to think. Look at that. A sneaky little smithing stone, too. I'm trying to remember, like, oh, is there... I don't know what the cracked twos are for. Okay, I had to check, guys. Definitely cheese him on one of my characters. Everyone has an arch enemy for each Souls game. That's mine. Dude, I gotta tell you something, man. On my first playthrough, I finished the game with the meteor staff that you pick up off the ground, and you cannot, level it up, right? And rock sling, and my astrologer's clothes that I got at the beginning of the game. I never changed my clothes, never changed my staff, never changed my spell. Finished the game. My first playthrough. Fire Giant, I had 12 hours in the Fire Giant until I called my son. I said, son, you know how to kill a Fire Giant? He's like, yeah, come on. Put the finger down, Dad. Here's the password. So we put the password down, and on the third attempt, I died 2 times. On the third attempt, my son and I killed the Fire Giant. After 12 hours of me, it was like 3 or 4 streams that where I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Yep. Now, I think there's a drop down here, too. That's not the same place. It's not the same. We're close to the boss, guys. Definitely cheese him. Yeah. Yeah, when I get to the Fire Giant, and look at this. I've been here before. Okay, so we're going back up to check the drop-offs on this last elevator. But do you see all the 3s I missed, guys, on my first playthrough? I ran through and killed the boss, and I didn't get my 3s. That's why my weapon's not leveled. So we're doing a little bit of retrograde analysis here, guys. Yeah, oh Jesus, that's rough. Yeah, man. But you know what? But I did it. I did it. And you know who did it? Charly Sardo did it. It wasn't me. It was my son, Charly Sardo. But smithing stone. Okay, well now I gotta like drop down now because they gotta give you a way down, right? Yeah, it's over here. I just made you say under. Where? We gotta get out of here. We can run out. It's easy, 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 easy. Wait, you gotta go up. To get out, you go up, right? Always up. Oh, no. This is where the boss room was. I can port to the front. Look how close I was, guys, and I almost walked away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No more 3s. See, guys, I've already been here. I already killed the boss. But what I didn't do at that time, for some reason, I was just barreling through. First time I beat him, I felt like ripping my shirt off. Roid style. Fire Giant was a long fight with your first run. He has a lot of health. Yeah. And like with Rivers, it was like, what? And I did okay too on GFR. Yes. With my Rivers of Blood, I think it was pretty easy too. It was amazingly easy. And actually, I probably did okay with my incantation run. It was probably not too bad either. Come on, buddy. I got money now. I got money and I got stones, baby. Show me. Look at this. Insufficient. I don't have smithing stone force. Okay. I almost have them all, but I don't have them all. Dang. And the Huskers, there's no way they're selling me stuff, guys. This is not NG+, bro. This is not like, they got the ball bearings. They don't have the ball bearings, guys. We can check. I mean, I'm going to. But yeah, we got some stone 1s and 2s. Hey, man. Better than what I got. Okay, Q is back. Offer. Okay. Purchase. Let's see if we get the 4s. We don't. Okay, that's cool. It's cool. Now we just way upgraded our weapon. And we're level 40. We have no runes. We can go up to here. Oh, we already grand lifted. Already grand lifted, guys. Divine Bridge. Is that a real thing? Did we get a grace? No, we never did, I don't think. I think we gotta go back up. We went up the lift and we got excited, guys. And then we ran right to the Ever Jail. Now I want to go back and try and kill him again, but I'm not going to. Because I just know I'm not going to do it. I can make the run. I actually feel better about trying to kill, like, the Horse Brothers. Might be a little bit easier. We need levels, guys. Level 40. I feel like I'm low right now. Was this the level? Was this the playthrough? We literally were like doing Carry a Manor. And it's like Carry a Manor. I'm like, guys, I'm like level 18 or something. I'm all like running up to Loretta. Like, what level? Carry a Manor should be at least level 45 to 50. And I'm like level 18. And I'm like, I'm killing Loretta. And we did. We killed Loretta. I think that was this playthrough, man. I think Loretta's dead. But I think I was ahead of myself. Okay. Escape. Now the only thing is, I feel like if I run forward, there's a grace over here. Let's grab it. I feel like if I run too far forward, I mean, what am I going to kill, guys? I could maybe kill the horse guys, but man, they're rough. Oh no, I can summon though. Ooh, I should have tried to also level up my dogs, right? Let's talk to Melinda. Nia. It's a pleasure hearing from you. Millennia, thank you for your input. Okay. Wait, should I have checked? I got the grace now. And this grace is called what? It'll tell me right here. This is called Altus Plateau. Fair enough. GFR. Okay. Yeah, I remember that. The big hands are brutal. Yeah, but I run past them. But I get no I get no sombers. Look at this. I mean, she's already out of the fire and over here with homeboy.
Are you here for spirit?
Greetings, spirit tuning. What don't I have? No grave glove warts and no money on top of that. Okay. Well, what level are these guys? Well, they're +5, man. So that's not, like, embarrassing. So, G. Let's just go ahead and port right here. Let's make the run. We could try the Volcano Manor. That's going to be rough. I don't know, man. If you get to... I could do the easy way to Rykard. I could skip everything to Rykard. You just got to do some running and some parkour and kind of fun stuff, right? And then grab the weapon, run out of there, level it up as far as we can, and then just come back and cheese him. Just, I mean, not really cheese him, just shoot him with the freaking laser beam from his own freaking sword. You know what I mean? Rykard. The problem with summons is they run and die in the fire. You kind of want the Mimi with the same sword that you have. But that's usually NG+. Dude, see if I have enough. Who the hell's shooting at me, man? I just got here. Okay, you gotta dodge the arrows, folks. Here they come. You can hear him pulling. Okay, now the two pooper boys are at the top. It's like after you beat the archers, all you got to worry about are the pooper boys. See how one's ahead of the other one? So I'm going to kind of lead on the right. There we go. You guys know the deal. Run, grab the grace. Get the, like the multiple golden seeds. Maybe upgrade the flasks. And then we'll go back and kill the fools. You guys cool with that? Yeah, they're bailing. Is the Mimic still crazy? It's still, for very often, most fights, he's still the best in the game, but it's not like it was. It was hands down Mimic. When you had the Mimic, it was game over. It's not like that. Yeah, Morgan, you stopped playing. You stopped playing a while ago. I could tell because of the Fire Giant cheese and the Rivers of Blood overpowered and the Mimic overpowered. Yeah. Yeah. That all that stuff's being adjusted. It's still good though. What do they call the night summon that hovers above the lava? She's pretty good for Rykard. Ooh, I don't know, but that's not Headless Knight, is it? Tut or whatever, HTHUT or LHUT or something. Headless, they say that's a really good summons. You get it from a is it a catacomb? You get it from something in the Whispering Peninsula. Hey guys, I don't think I need more mana to summon stuff. So let's just drink this. Let's just bring in the dogs. Let's just look at this fool. Wait. Yeah, I gotta be careful, guys. It's not easy. And there's two of them. And I want them both. Ooh, I hit him with the... Dude, I broke him, bro. Okay, get out of there. I don't have health pots for this. Theory, we gotta kill the weak one. Okay, wait. Wait. No. No way, dude. We had that. Did we not have that? It's been a little while, but the main thing is my internet's hardly better than what the Amish get, so I have to travel for an update. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's tough, man. I gotta tell you, my internet is not exactly power. Why is there a map fragment here? Oh, because it's a new playthrough, guys. This is a new character. This is not NG Plus, this character, guys. Let's try not so much of the cluster F, guys. Let's try hear me out. Hear me out, guys. No! The freaking jellyfish went the other way, guys. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's the jellyfish, man? Okay, I don't care about you. I just want my jellyfish. Can't summon it again? Okay, I'll just have to beat this guy. Well, that's gonna hurt. Oh my god, he just stole my pot, guys. Oh my god. That's so jacked up. Okay. See, I think with my skill set, I'm too low level to do this, man. Yeah, Lutel the Headless, man. Yeah. I don't know if I have him. I don't think I do. But we could check. But there's some building. This character is a little bit not quite prepared for what he has to deal with right now. You know what I mean? Because Inventorio, let's just check it, guys. We have him. We have him. We have him. He's not leveled. Let's check. We got some ones, grave, and ghost. Okay, so we could probably level him up a little bit. We could probably level him up a little bit. And but I got robbed. I got robbed of that. I don't really have runes. I could sell some junk, I think. I got robbed of that because my freaking jellyfish went away, man. Oh, if you want to keep the jellyfish, you got to keep them there. That's what it is, guys. My runes are gone. Yeah, I got no runes. I got no runes. No, I'm not here for spirit tuning. I'm here to burn some runes. Inventorio. Let's go use. Escape. Inventory. Use. Escape. Inventory. Use. Now, I don't have like inventory. I don't have any great things to dump off, like for 30k or something. I'm so broke. I feel like I want to go chase the ball or like spirit tuning. Where's my other guys? Oh wait, where's this guy? No runes. No runes, guys.
I need to warn you about something. Okay. A little while ago, someone started lurking in the wing on the opposite side of the round table. And I can hear, from all the way over there, the howling and wailing of spirits in fear of a...
So is this like next time I come here, it's going to be all messed up and the red guy's going to jump me?
Malice in itself.
Okay. Okay. It's a pleasure. Thank you. I'm trying to be nice, guys. I'm really trying to be nice. This guy buys stuff, right?
I took you no matter, it's all out your own.
Sell. Let's check here, wait. Z. These. Yeah, man. I hope I didn't sell my own clothes, guys. I want to let me sell that. Oh, that's equipped. Okay, that's equipped. Wait. Okay, pantalones, no. We got some trinkets. And we'll keep those. Yeah, we got a few bucks, guys. We got a few bucks.
Greetings. Are you here for
Level up my boy. Spirit tuning. He's... Oh my god. Oh, I don't have a ghost, man. Yeah. I'm in 240p, so you stutter like Forrest Gump. Wow. Morgan. Living is living where you live, but my brother. Quality of life is huge. We gotta... I mean... Looking at your Battlefield videos and your Elden Ring experience. My brother. It appears that you, I would say that you really need internet, man. We were here, but we didn't kill this dragon. But we're not... Oh, God, we don't have... We've done Celia, man. We've done all this. It's crazy. Although we don't have a gate that... We don't have the... Party Shack is here. Church of the Plague. I'm trying to think, what the hell is this character supposed to do to level up? Why is this guy... Is this level 40? Is this just level 40? And I'm so... No. Okay, we don't have Sophia River, but we finished it. But we never grabbed the grace. We never grabbed the grace. Fort Hate. Did we do that? It looks like we did because we got the grace. Huh. I'm not sure. What is this island? Can anyone tell me this island? This island that's like south west of like the first step. See this island? Can one even get there? Everything is so opened up, including the freaking capital, that I think I'm way too low level for. It's a running quest island where you kill a dragon at the end. Oh, you like... Do you get like ported there or something? You get ported there or something? There's a little castle. That's that little castle. Okay. Makes sense. I always wondered what that area was all about. I just... Look at what's done. Like, where are my freaking runes, guys? Where are my runes? You know, one way to see about runes, you go see a guy. You go see a guy. See what he's got to say. I don't know if we can kill freaking Beast Magnus though, guys. We're gonna head due west. You know what I'm saying? We beat the Magnus Claw, guys. I don't think we can. You find her dead body at the underground church after the dragon. It's a dragon you just running. Right? The 50% dragon. Why is he not here? Why is he not freaking here? Okay. Let's just port over here then. And just talk to the fool. Right, it's right here. It's the best I can get here. I'm out by the bike park on the other side of Buchanan. The bike park. I don't know where that is. On the other side of Buchanan. I don't know where the bike park is. I never talked to this fool.
Oh, well, you...
Yeah.
For an audience, go for an audience. Go to the round table for an audience with the...
Oh, I gotta talk to the freaking... Guys, gee. I never talked to the two fingers, man. Guys, it's been a minute since I started a new character, okay? I just made you say, oh, new character. Oh, it's like, it looks so threatening. It's like, leave your fingers. Away from me! Okay.
Are you
Yeah, tarnish, greater will, tarnish. Tarnish. That's me. Right, creepy lady. Right, talk to me. Yeah, no, I hear you. Just, if you could speak faster, that'd be great. Yeah. I don't have any remembrances, man. Even though I've killed, I killed stuff. Okay, so that was that. Right? Guys. Let's just see if we can focus. We leveled our... Well, we gotta rest first, I guess. I know where I'm going. It's straight across, guys. Lascases. Add a charge. Yes. I've got a golden charge. Okay, great. Great. I rested. So the flask is not available here? If I go here, will it be? Yep. You better drink, buddy. I try to get a big one off, guys. Yeah, whatever, dude. No! He's got the long freaking thing, guys. Leave my frostbite alone. Hey, teacher. Leave my frost... Hey! Give me some freaking runes, man. I need them, folks. Spider Mountain, they put a ski lift on it and everything. Spider Mountain. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where that is, man. A ski lift. There's a... On top of that... Yeah, wait. Other side. Bike park, I don't know. On top of that, I'm between two hills in the canyon, basically. Okay. Spider Mountain, they put a ski lift on it and everything. And that's for people to ride bikes, motorcycle bikes, bicycle bikes, mountain bikes, Harley bikes. I'm not sure what you're... because I just don't know. I have no clue. I didn't know there was any kind of bike mountain here in Buchanan. I'm in Buchanan too, pretty close anyway. Not too far. Okay, well, let's check. Oh no, we don't have the runes for that anyway. Okay, so we did a couple things. Oh yeah. What we were trying to do, we were trying to move forward somehow, but the two fingers wouldn't let us. What was I doing that the two fingers wouldn't let us? Look at this. All of this is done, guys. It's amazing. Oh, bar. G. Bar. We're talking chicken farm, folks. Wait for it. And right here. Let's go see Var. Then we'll go to the Rose Church. I got a really good grace. Pop right there. Then the question is, can we beat Magnus Claw, guys? He's gone. Good, good, good. G. Now we go to this thing that's right across from the Rose Church. This one. Then we head due west. It's getting pretty popular, unfortunately, getting idiots from out of state that don't understand private property and downhill mountain biking and hiking. Okay. Yeah, man, you know, I mean, I don't know if you've ever been the tourist, Morgan. And I'll tell you, I've never really been the tourist to where I went to someone else's country or someone else's town and, like, you know, threw my trash in their street and, like, you know, just completely disrespected everything. I never did that. But when you're on vacation, you're on vacation. You're there to party. You're there to have fun. A lot of times you're with your friends. People are cutting up. And things get disrespected sometimes. It would happen at the beach club a lot with the camp kids, the rich kids from Dallas. They would break things and be like, I'll pay for it. It's like, it doesn't matter if you'll pay for it. Quit breaking stuff. You know what I mean? And so, you know, they were on vacation. They were from out of town, and they had a big group of people, and they felt like they were invincible. Think they own Laredo too? It's New Year's Day here on the border. Kind of like that.
Be sure to try that finger I gave you.
Oh, I'll try the freaking finger. Okay, freaking psycho. Now, wait, he's gonna be up here somewhere, and oh no, it's right here. That's not it. That's not it. But it's marked, and there's no grace. Why do I have this one marked? Magnus Claw is in Altus? There's no mark. How do I find the Magnus Beast Claw? It's getting pretty popular. Okay, got you. Okay, now that I don't see any red marks up here in Altus, where I thought that spot was right somewhere over here, but I don't remember. I have, but I don't jump fences or try to make photo albums in people's yards. Yeah, I know. I got you, man. Morgan, I never took you for that kind of person. Yeah, if you guys don't know Morgan, I know Morgan personally. Dave Joyce, Morgan is a personal, real life friend of mine, and he plays pool. He's a tall drink of water. He's soft spoken. He ain't real loud. He ain't talking real fast. He ain't trying. He's in no hurry. He's a nice person. What he says means something. I'm like, bah, 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 bah. Morgan's like, hi, Charlie. How you doing? Good to see you. He's like, he's cool. You know what I mean? Yeah. Morgan's, and he's a young man. He's a young man. And he plays pool good, man. He plays pool good. Now I gotta run all the freaking way. It's a long run, folks. I'm going to this red thing because I feel like we haven't opened what we need to open yet. But I don't jump fences. Right. Yeah, no, that exactly describes. Oh my God, we got to grab this. We already grabbed it, guys. Welcome to like literally 5 freaking streams ago on this character. Get me out of here. Ah! It's New Year's Day here on the border. Oh, we got a gray splitter grab. Okay. Take a little rest. Leave. And now let's get back on. Take a look at the map. We're pretty much heading toward the world's longest run ever. But I don't remember what that is. That's not the magma worm way to Altus, is it? It might be, man. I think I'm on the wrong path. I'm wasting time. I'm just wasting time. Now, did we level our weapons? No, I don't think we did. Wait. I got the grace. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. But did we really run forward? I'm trying to think, like, where am I supposed to be getting all these freaking runes that I need to level my weapon, to level my dogs. Oh, I know what I need. Oh, this guy's gonna come. He's gonna land hard, guys. Don't be scared. Don't. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got this. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him, guys. Okay, we want to level our drinkies. Great. Now, did we kill this guy? I sank 7 balls and 8-ball break the other week. Couldn't believe it. Wow, that's pretty nice, man. You been playing pool? You're doing better than me, brother.
I see thee. Smoldering that wretched flame.
You gotta watch these holes, guys. Dude, I got 4. Ah! Jump! Nope. Get away. Yep, I trapped. I was trapped. I was freaking trapped. I had him, though. I had him. I watched, I was sick last weekend, and I watched, like, between, like, Friday and Saturday, I watched, like, 8 hours of 10-ball, World 10-ball Championship at the Rio. That was fun. I felt rich. I felt like I took like a few days off to watch pool because I wanted to. You know what I mean? It's pretty cool. It's New Year's Day here on the border. Okay. Now, if I pull him down here to the flat ground where there's no holes in the freaking dirt. Come on, buddy. Fight me here. Nope, bad. Yep. I'm way too low level for this, man. I'm trying to. It's a road trip if I want to. Cool, man. I got a friend that's got a table, man. And I just need to get to his house and hang. It's all about blocking out the time. You know what I mean? Okay, so what do we do? Grab the runes. But we're just kidding ourselves. What did I skip, guys? I skipped I owe somebody something. I owe somebody something, man. Dude, even here, even in the... we even did the Impaler Catacombs. Maybe we have not done this yet. We could try. Ooh, we have not done this. Maybe not the dragon. Okay. Guys, we got some stuff. I found some early stuff we left out. We have a plan yet? Guys are still trying to figure it out. Well, I'm just trying to figure out why I'm so kind of low level-ish. I'm not really ready for like a lot of fights. And I left a lot of stuff on the table, like for instance, all this stuff over here. All this stuff over here, like this dragon. Freaking dragon. I gotta try and keep him off the freaking wall, guys. I'm going dogs. Where the hell is he? Over here? He's right here. He's over here? Yeah. Okay, well, if I screwed up, I screwed up. Someone in the dogs. I thought I was there, guys. Dogs should be free-range dogs, folks. It should be like, we're going too far. Dude, what? So maybe I did already kill the dragon? Woodward's looking strong. Probably going to Hall of Fame. Woodward, don't know him, man. We already killed this thing. He would be popped right now. Alright. Sorry, dogs. I'm gonna go try another attempt at runes. I don't know Woodward, man. I have not been hip to the new, young, and talented pool players. Although, Fedor, what's his name? Gorst? Fedor Gorst? He's pretty good. And the FSR, Francisco Sanchez Ruiz, or whatever the hell his name is. That guy? Pretty good, right? Right? Yeah, it's great, man. Okay, I just gotta run around until... Did I already do this? See the blood? Dave Joyce, I already did all this, man. Maybe kill Patches? I bet he's dead, guys. Maybe here. This could be a dungeon I missed. Already been here. Dave Joyce, I feel like this character, is way further along than I thought, but I don't know what to do for him. You know what I mean? Okay. These things don't like my my blunt weapon too much. I feel like this character's like lost in space, man. Skylar Woodward, he's like 25. Skylar, right? Been in the U.S. team for the Mosconi Cup. Skylar, yep. Skylar. Yeah. I watched a bunch of those guys play, man. There's a few Dungeons and Caelid we haven't done. Notice it's hard when you come back to a character you haven't. Yeah. Well, like Caelid Catacombs is lit up. I got this Salia Understair, Back Streets, and Church of the Plague, so I feel like I might have done the city, right? I don't know, but I feel like I have. Up here's their stuff. Down this way, I know the dragon's here, but I'll tell you right now, the dragon is not happening. What am I missing that I could do that you're seeing? Around the middle, there's a few there. Well, we got the one boss guy. I just made you say Understair. That guy's gonna be rough, but one thing about him, I can summon 2 people to help. Right? Like he's over here. I don't know where he is. I just know he's like in the poopy. So I'm gonna call it right here. It's a number 4. Numero cuarto. It's over here. Good. There you go. The Swamp of Aeolia. Okay. I know there's that boss guy. But I just feel like I'm supposed to have more rooms, man. Ooh. Well, that was him. Grab the grace. I found him. Found him. There's some cheeses where people pull him out here into those bubbles. You know what I'm talking about? Dave Joyce? I've never done it. Okay, just tell me it's here. It is. Okay. Yeah. God, I have no summons. Where's the it's not big enough, man. I don't know which one to go with, guys. The problem, well, the dogs could help, I guess. Problem with the dogs is, oh my God, he's already attacking. I knew I should have done the last one, guys. Yep, his sister's hitting me, guys. Where's the dogs? Everyone's dead but me. I'm not supposed to be here, Dave Joyce. See this? This tells me I'm not supposed to be here. I just made you say I'm not supposed to be here. I'm running to the grace. Oh my god. Maybe we could cheese him with the... No, we have to rest. We have to rest. Hey, that was actually a free... It was a free pass. Right, guys? Yeah, man. What build are you going for? No, me neither. They cheese that dragon. Sorry, the explanation wasn't great. I'll look it up. No, you're fine, man. You're fine. This is not on you, man. I'm just saying that I was like, well, we could kill this guy. No, I'm not high enough level to be killing this freaking guy. Looking at Kaled, there's not a lot. I see all this area is kind of empty. I feel like there might be something over here. Fort Hate with the Grace. I can't believe the Sophia River has no grace, but we already know it's done. I would think there'd be more stuff around here. Yeah, man. Well, I just brought this character up. This character's not exactly even what we're 1,000,000% working toward right now. I just brought it up because I thought, hey, I want to go live on YouTube. It took me forever to get live on YouTube, guys. And I thought, well, play the Wretch, because it's different, right? 2 dungeons on the left-hand side of, in the center of the Kaled map. The deep red part, one of them might be the Tower of Kaled. Okay. Let's go this way. 2 dungeons on the left-hand side in the center, left-hand side in the center. The Kaled map, the deep red part, right? Yeah, this boss was a huge pain. The Scarlet Rot, right. Yeah, see, right here, there might be something there, but I don't know where it is. I just know on this path, we got a Rot dragon over here somewhere. He's nasty as AF. And I'm just not exactly 1,000,000% sure why I have all this done and then I can't kill anything. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I just fell out of favor with the melee, with the get good. You know, maybe it's been a minute. This guy's already dead. Let's check it. The deep red center part of Kaled on the left hand side. There's 2 markers on the map. Deep red center. Right. I know what you mean. Right here. Left hand side, there's 2 markers on the map. I believe you. I mean, when you say 2 markers on the map, I don't see them. I don't know. Is that one of the markers on the map? I don't see anything that stands out as a marker on the map. Deep red. Talking about the dark red, right? I'm talking about over here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Where am I here? Oh wait, escape. We're gonna see if this Dark Knight's up. Pastime. Nightfall. Yeah, near where your cursor is. Right, near. You said there's markers on the map. I couldn't see them. He's up. There's runes, folks. What if we just ran past him like... Oh! Alright. Okay. would say a new weapon wouldn't hurt. I always loved the Morning Star historically, but was never impressed with it in these games. Yeah, no, you know what? That I believe is true, but I don't know at this point which weapon to grab. Past time until night. We're gonna try and creep him around. Like, I'm gonna show you what I mean. I just literally try to bum rush him into where I wanted him, right, guys? We're not gonna do that. We haven't found the markers yet, so we got to run around there and get him. Is that what you're saying? Okay. That's the area we want to be. Okay, cool. We'll go back. I might get invaded. I go there. Just throwing it out there. Throwing it out there. Yeah, he's tuned not to do that. But since they fixed him, he literally suicided one time for me. I'm gonna run over there, grab my runes, and they'll be there, right? Yeah, they should be there. That's kind of a cheesy way to get your runes too. Go back in the morning. Wow, I feel like a little baby right now, man. My Roonies. Okay. And Morgan, you used to be able to cheese him up the hill here. They fixed it. I got that off on a couple, 2, 3 of my freaking first playthroughs, and then they changed it to where he doesn't take the poison damage, right? A shield might help. Yeah, with my 900 hours, there's been 0 hours with the shield. Now, I'm not talking smack about shields. I'm just saying, wow, I wonder if I have the golden scarab. Equipment. I don't yet. We get a level. Level up. Nope. He used poison himself when I ran past him. Yeah, well, the trick was to run past him and kite him up the path, and all these poison pots would explode, and they would poison you a little bit. Dude, that thing almost hit me, bro. Guys, we need like one more for a level. We have to do it. We gotta get something out of this. Yeah, the markers are where we find the graces, right? Where we can pour to it. Okay. We're going right now. Dave Joyce. We just gotta get one more. We're gonna pop a level. It could be anything. Like I said, anything. Because we need everything right now. Look! You have to watch it fall. If you don't watch it fall, you don't get credit, folks. Okay, 9450. Tell me we got a level there. No need to block if they're dead, right? Yeah. Level up. And, oh my god, guys, we need one more, man. How annoying is that? Yeah, it's okay. It'll leave us with a little bit of walking around rooms, okay? Give us, like, something to, like, worry about. Now, going down this path is... There's stuff down here too, right? But I don't know what that is. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to look at our stats and give it the best thing we can. This character's... We've been doing strength, maybe? And not too much anything else. Like, maybe we didn't really... What do you got? 24 Vig... 25 strength, 20 dex. I'm surprised this ball farm is still a thing after everything they've changed. Well, it's really not. But since you can't cheese that one dude right there, I'm putting a point in Vig, guys, because I'm weak. Okay. Now, I'm guessing we already have... I don't think we can have the pouch here, guys. You know why? Because we only have 2 slots, right? Slot here, guys, right? Or no? There's a slot up here, right? I've got a golden talisman slot. Yeah, that ball farm is like, that's like almost never anything. But if you very first start out the game and you run to Kaled at like level anything, you can knock that out and get some levels for sure. Just gotta drink some tea, guys. All right, man. Oh, we gotta get our loot. We gotta go up. They just sent the freaking elevator down, guys. Dude, I've already been here. How could I already have all this stuff? I've already done all this, guys. No, I don't need this. I can just pour it. Look. Hey, I'm at the bottom. The ball farm. The ball farm's hilarious, man. It's like, at least for me, it was my first farm. Okay, G. Now, from what you were saying in Kaled, I'm thinking, should I go to the swamp? Inner Aeonia swamp? Dave Joyce, or should I be Kaled Ruins and taking the road down past the Rot Dragon? Like a quality build still at the minute. Right? Yeah, that's true. Because we can go anywhere. Because we're level 41, right? That's the first thing I did with all my characters. Yeah. If you just run there, grab a couple levels. But Dave Joyce, are you saying should I maybe start again at the Inner Aeonia? Down low in the red, or should I start up here and then come down from this attack? From the southern road that takes me to the Rot Dragon. There's a Grace over here. Rot Dragon here. I ran past him and did this. Cathedral. Got the cathedral. Got that. Got this. Such a trip streaming here with Morgan and Dave Joyce. This is hanging out, man. It's kind of cool. Water. Tell me, Dave Joyce. I guess it... No, the giant dragon just south of the ball farm on the hill. Okay, well, Dave Joyce, I think you were saying I'm going to go here and I'm going to head southwest. And just run through the swamp. I have a bad feeling I will get invaded. But I'm going. See what the hell's over here. That doesn't mean I can't win the battle. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, the meteor staff's over here, man. Oh, there's a downward dog over here too. This isn't a dungeon though, it's just loot. Rock sling. Hey! That is so funny. They give you... Oh my god. Hey Joyce, there's a grace on the road and the other graces are on the center. Yeah, I know the grace. Oh my god. Hey guys, going down into the chokehole because yeah, there's mofos up here. I've got a couple of doggies. Where are they? They didn't summon. Alright. We have strength and dex. So grabbing the meteor staff is not going to help me. I think you know where they are. I do. There's a Grace and a Vendor, right? He's like over here. They grab the meteor staff just for the meme. You see it? You see it, guys? Oh my god, you can't go in that way? Dude, we got the meteor staff, bro. I love it. That is nostalgic. That is a meteor staff. Now we have meteor staff and rock sling. We could literally go respec right now. No, we can't respec. Oh no, actually we can. I think Renal is dead, guys, which is insane to me. Like the things I cannot do, and Renal is dead. It's weird. Used to get 80,000 from the dragon. All you need was a flail. Right. Yep, the big gray dragon. You know, I didn't kill that dragon. I think in like 13 playthroughs, I killed him once or twice. Maybe, I think only once. Where I actually beat on him and killed him once. Hey guys, here's a trick.
This way. Right this way. Please stop, customer. Bollocks. What the hell's wrong with you?
Kill him! Make him dead! Good. You're dead. Now your dog is mine, bruh. Your dog is my dog! Sorry, guys. Sorry, man. You're gonna starve. You're gonna starve! You're gonna starve! You're gonna starve, bruh. Come to daddy. Come to your daddy. You're gonna starve. You're okay. You're in rune heaven right now. Okay. So now that we've got that grace and we killed the dog, what is this thing up here? And something. A building. That's not that really creepy building. You got to go all the way to the top, is it? There might be some loot toward the bottom, like a somber and stuff, but... Oh, here comes the poopies, guys. Run from the poopies! Someone told me about the crows or something here. They were so scared of the birds. They're like, oh my God, when you get there, you're going to be so screwed, my friend. I hear him like, what? This is not the one I was thinking about. It might be. Golden Halberd or Commander Standard might work for your stats if you haven't tried them. I believe a million freaking grace down there, man. Oh, but how do you get to it? Oh, is this with a... Yeah, I think it might be, guys. Am I at the level where I still, like, want to grab runes, guys? Is it worth it? Hello, E. Hello, E. Yeah, hello, E. Great, thank you for that. Okay, let me just grab these. Hello, E. Right, no. Hello, E. There we go. Dude, I haven't got hit yet. Wow. Oh! Let's say nerf them. Golden Halberd. I've never used that weapon, man. But I've never played a wretch before either. Yeah, where's my Roonies? They're up here. Rooney! Where's my Roonies? Rooney. Straight Ferris Bueller, folks. There's a way to cross there, though. I just gotta not try and jump at the wrong spot. In panic. Yeah, that's one of the center graces. Center. Okay. Like to pick the pretty flowers. Get them! Get the pretty flowers! Okay. Oh, there's a doggy, man. He's not nice. The dogs aren't nice, guys. You don't want to get too close to the doggies, man. Good. Okay. Trying to get to the Roonies. Rooney! Okay. Now I know what I did wrong. Wait. Where's it? Over there. I didn't get him. He's up. Oh my God. Okay. Now I don't have to go for the runes. So that's a good thing. It was insane for how early you could get it from the first free sentinel at the beginning. It's where the Rot Tree Guardian is, and all the smithing stones at the bottom of the Kaled Tower. Yeah, see, that's what I'm not too sure about, man. I know I just ran that whole way, and the runes, it still tells me where they are, but they're gone, guys. There are not a lot of runes, guys. We just gotta run all. We're gonna bring it around town. Bring it around town, folks. That's what we're doing right now. One more time. Now I know where to go. I went back for my runes and died. There's that. Oh, there's a grace right here. Let's grab it. Didn't see this. Bam. That changes everything. It's the same for how early you could get it. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. What time is it, man? Woo! Almost 5 in the morning, man. You at? Well, I don't remember jumping over stuff like this to get this way. But yeah, it's here. It's here. It's the path. It's the shortest path to the cache, folks. There we go. Doggy wants some. This is the short way. But these runes mean nothing now. Yeah, 0.00. Yeah, this is where the another grace. This is what you were talking about. All the graces. Right, Dave Joyce? We got a few of them. Let's just rest for a second. Come here. Bing, bing, bing. There's a beetle here with a somber. He's on a stick. Right? Am I right? Watch. I already came here and killed him. Telling you, there's a freaking beetle right here. There's a beetle right here on a stick. He runs up on one of these sticks. Now I know where I am. I know I can drop down here and get the is that 5? Somber 5? Somber 7. Somber 5. Right? I already got it, guys. I've already been here. I've already been here, Dave Joyce, but without the graces. Weird, Dave Joyce. Somber's gone, man. It's gone. It's gone. Which means, I tell you what I didn't do. I didn't parkour up that. Should I do that? Probably not. Am I gonna? Done it before multiple times. Okay, we didn't die. I expected to. Dude, look, they're all dead. They're all dead. I've been here already, guys. They're all dead, man. They're all dead. Dave Joyce. Like, I ran here already, man. Second playthrough, I tried it. They carried me through the entire game. Remember me, the Black Knight halberd from... Where do you get that halberd, man? That's my question to you. And Dave Joyce, I've been here already, which is creepy as AF. I've been here before, and there's people, right? No? There's one. Okay, well, no, maybe not. Maybe not. I didn't see him. Now, this is so crazy, guys. This is the craziest parkour in the game. Probably not best for 5 in the morning. Some of it, you just have to get on your horse. Like this. Yep. I don't know if that was the right way. It has something to do with that. Like, you have to go up, and then you got to go across, and then you got to go up, and you got to go across. You got to go drop down. You go back up. Yep, this looks pretty good to me. We're going this way. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Huh. So I gotta go back this way and try and land on that freaking thing. That's not gonna work. So this is a dead end. The tree sentinel at the beginning of the game. You might already have it. I might. So we have to start Randy's quest yet. We could port there right now, but let's check it. Equipment. It's a halberd. I don't know what it even looks like, man. We got a hammer. Golden halberd. But I need faith. I need 12 faith, which I don't have. Status. 30 strength I don't have, and 12 faith I don't have. Yeah, so I'm like, I need like 7 more levels if that was it. I feel like here it just says so we have started Randy's quest. Yeah, dude, we didn't start Randy's quest. Like we, yeah, I mean we did. We killed. Look at this. Look at the graces, man. Look at the graces. I just don't know where we are. I think we went and saw Randy earlier. And she's not okay, man. She's sleeping. This is the tower with the monk boss inside, not the cinnamon roll guy. The other guy, I think I forgot his name. Okay, Dave Jones. Well, I bailed out because I tried parkouring. I landed on a shelf. It felt unsafe. Out of there, folks. Sick and tired of being sick and tired. Now, she's going to be sleeping. And, like I said, yep. I can't even freaking... Wait, maybe I can. Maybe I... Maybe I gotta talk to Blade? I feel like it's weird, though. Look at this grace. And I did not get the grace further in. It's weird, man. But, you know what I'm saying? It's like, what did I do? What was I doing? To run in here and not get the grace. I guarantee I got the loot on the railing. That loot, I always get that loot. And this loot, look at it, all that loot's gone. It's all gone, guys. Yeah. Whoa. So is it Selvius? Those Black Knight weapons. Dave Joyce, is it Selvius? Do I have to like give the potion to somebody? When you 200 weapon, your strength stats get increased by 50%, so you only need 20 strength. So you really only need to fail. Those Black Knight weapons in Dark Souls 1 were super OP. Okay, you only need 2 faith. 2 more. How the hell did I finish this? And let me see. I did get the grace. I got this grace. Why didn't I just port it in there? No. Right? I have it already. And, okay, I know where Blade is when you gotta talk to him after you do other stuff. But I still feel like Selvius is the problem. But We're gonna go look for Blade. See him? See him? I see him, guys. I can freaking... You see him? You guys see Blade? Oh my god, get out of my life, man. These guys are gonna be annoying too. I just aggroed everyone. Now I gotta figure out how to stay alive, man.
Apologies, I can see blood on all the... Perhaps it's to recall that. Let's give him a... Besides, leave this place to... If either of us... Leave either of us... And if we reach Celebus Red... Leave either of us... And if we reach Celebus Red... Leave either of us... And if we reach Celebus Red, he gives a straight answer.
Go away. Now come back, buddy. I just drank. Yeah, you're level 2, bro. They're like, our sister. You can't take our sister. That's our sister. That's our sister. Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's our sister, but we'll walk backwards and forget about our own sister. There we go. As I creep like a freaking little creep boy. Kill you guys one at a time. They should stick together, folks.
Leave this place to me. You just, if either of us learns anything, we tell the other. And if we reach a dead end, Celebus Ready gives a straight answer. First.
I feel like that wasn't really progressing the story. I feel like he's got to tell me I'll see you in Nokron, but I think he tells me that at Randy's Rise. Am I right? So we need Blade and we need to beat Radon before we can go to Nokron. Okay, so maybe Radon now? Radon now? Let's see. He didn't say I'll meet you at the festival. He didn't say that. We're not there yet. Oh! We're there. Okay, now the question is, can I beat Radon? Well, drink some tea and find out, right? I'm not sure, folks. Damien Zach Gibbs, thanks for the like, man. I have no alerts, I don't think. For YouTube, we can get that set up. Notification. Yep. Hey, 3 viewers. We got Dave Joyce. We got Capitan. Who else is here, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's very late night, and I wanted to goof around on my wretch. And so I went live on YouTube. It took me a minute to figure it out, too, guys. Like, this is probably not going to be a viral live, because... there's like no description, no tags, no thumbnail, no nothing. So, what is this? We'll fight. We'll fight. I'll see you on the. Oh, there he is. Champions. Okay, sorry guys. This is it. But here's the thing. We couldn't kill other stuff, guys. We're not gonna be able to kill Radon. We're gonna try. We're gonna 1,000,000% give everything we have. What is Radon weak to? Rot? I gotta see if I have grease. I might have some rot grease, guys. And this stupid weapon, can I put grease on it? Yeah, go find Blade. Yeah, no, we got him, man. Okay, escape, skip. Good. But now, we must make merry. Okay there, buddy. There we go. Okay, good. We're gonna see if we can put rot on this thing. I seriously doubt we can. Okay, that's not the way. You gotta go this way. You go out the side door that's already been opened for you. No, this is real, guys. This is Radon. I think I fought Radon at a lower level, but I think I've never fought Radon as unprepared as I am right now. Yeah. Yeah. This is not prepared. We gotta check. Inventorio. I got 3. I got 1 rock grease. Dragon wound. Anti-dragon. No. I got 1 rock grease, guys. Okay. We're gonna summon a bunch of guys. We're gonna jump up. I'm gonna hit escape. I'm gonna see if it works. And I'm going to try and put it on him. Just chilling. It's weird for me watching a morning stream. It must be late in Texas. No, I've been up all night, man. 1000%. What? There's no way. It's not even NG plus. I was like, okay, it's NG plus. They're like shooting me way too fast. Nope, it's not NG plus. I'm just slow. Yeah. Got you. You funny. You got this. Same thing, faster, more efficient. Here comes the sticks, folks. Just run against the grain. Run against the grain. Try to put the rod on, guys. Come on. I used it. I gotta put the rod on him, guys. I think I should be I got the rod on him though. It's all the rod I had, guys. Now is he coming for me? He is. Fair enough. Okay. Come on. My horsey. I need one more, at least one more up. I feel like the rot. Okay, now I can try and put poison on him too. It might help. I don't know if that was a thing or not. Why won't it hit? There we go. There we go. There we go. A little bit of a... That's fine. No! Ah, I'm not strong enough, dude. I'm not strong enough for Radon. Yeah, we're just chilling. It's weird. Yeah. I'm not strong enough to kill Radon right now, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and call this here, man. Thank you guys so much, man. Morgan and Dave Joyce and third silent person. Thank you guys for being here. I wanted to get the stream going on Facebook. No, on YouTube. And I wanted to play my Rich. And you know what I did? I did both. And we'll get this guy sorted, man. This guy's like weird, man. He's got everything I go to get levels, he's already done. But he's like level 41. And he's not, it's not working. We'll figure it out. Good night, Dave. And good night, Morgan. Love you guys, man. I have no idea in this. Oh, I see a button. Thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow.